Hello guys, for today's video, day off Kayaga Galateo with friend. We're going to Niu Kazi Andan Anga friends. Nasa Yilan province pa ako nang galing Tayapag Pupunta. In Taipei City 1 Arbus travel. We're already here at Nihu bus station. This design is so cute. At last met with friends, may painting picture Bago Gumala. We're going to Tamsui, grabbing Lamagdito Salabas.
Son all holding hands.
I love winter season, that's why I like Taiwan. Hi Kenta, you're so cute.
Guwapo ng baby na. Ang guwapo. Video ba yan? Video.
Tinutanong ko ng parte yan eh. May ahas papanood.
Grupo tayo. Kaya nga nagtanong.
Look at this, two cute little babies looking each other, He's looking to baby girl, this is so cute. We're waiting for Lane, grape sobrang. Haba ang pili pro mabilis LNG naman. Daming Tao.
Uwi na tayo sa Iloilo. Saan tayo? Dito na lang? Uwi na kami sa Iloilo. Uwi na tayo sa Iloilo. Uwi na tayo sa Iloilo. Dali!
Pupuntateo sa Cabalong Island. Hindi na koang video don sa Cabalong Island, Kazi Sing Parrot. Parang night market, at Puwad KMG Biking Dude. Pabalik na hilid kami don kanina sa Cabalong Pier. Mabilis LNG etong ferry boat 3 minutes. family. Sometimes all we have to do is to relax, inhale, exhale. In 1 month stress work. We're back to main pier. Let's go to Taipei 101 for Christmas lights decoration. This is Taipei 101, tallest building in Taiwan. We're amazing. Fireworks display every New Year.
Ayos na! Wow! You're so cute.
Dalan ko kayo siya ng laruan na ano, yung mga jeep-jeep.
Amazing Christmas decor here. It's almost 4 years I celebrate Christmas here in Taiwan. How I wish next year be home for Christmas. Living far away from home is difficult. Beautiful picture see in social media is different from off cam. Off are good in hitting their feelings. So that family in Philippines will not worry. Sometimes our dreams make us more stronger than before. To all of Kaya Natin too. Gamagabi na kailangan na namin makabalik sa Yilin. Some friends waiting for us. Time runs so fast when we're happy. Time runs slow when we're working. Take a quick glance to this beautiful decoration. I can't go out on Christmas. Christmas here in Taiwan is not holiday. Next day off will be on New Year, but for now, I need to work. Going home now. It's already too cold outside. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.